Hello guys, this is Ivan here speaking. Today we have a special promo for a weekend as always. And this weekend is here, holiday weekend, because we have a Labor Day, 1st of May holidays. So due to it I will give you one very special offer. This offer will consist of two my best expert advisors, two best products. Different systems, but both working fantastic. So let's first of all see Trendy Trader, the latest version, new version, version 5. We are at the moment in a live trade with Swiss franc and JPY on M30. This is trend, but scalping method, scalping mode. In properties you always can choose what you like. Scalping mode with max scalping trades, or if you put 2 off, then it will trade classic trend. To explain, anyway, I will explain shortly, but if you want to find more, go back to my YouTube videos. There are videos in which I explained detailing everything about new Trendy Trader V5. So scalping method is when you are in some trend, like this, high trend, with all these confirmations, with 4 filters, 3 filters, plus this line, plus arrow, plus this. So it is in fact 6 confirmations before the trade will be open. In scalping method, during one trend, a robot is scalping, taking smaller trades until we are in a trend. You see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7th trade. During the trend, you see, last 2 were in the money, 20 and 14, 75 and 5. Normal trend trading is when you have the arrow and here all is confirmed, and you will get one long normal trade with trend, and after the trade will close, then a robot will wait for another setup for a long trade. Here in scalping method you will have as many you like. You can put 4, 5, 10 trades during the trend, but smaller one using the trend situation. So scalping maybe 10 pips, 5 pips, 15 pips, whatever you would like to set up in your properties. So let's check the results. You see here, I already calculated. We have about maybe few trades less, about 100 trades in last 5 days. First trade was taken 21st and then 24th. So it is on Friday last week, but then we have Saturday and Sunday, and from Monday. So in fact, in 5 days you will see we have about 100 trades and only one lost trade. You see here we have even 40 in a row winning 30, and here one lost, and after this one lost we have, let's see, 40, 60, about 70 trades in a row that are in the money. And you see what the trades were, and we made almost $2,000 in these 5 days. So with scalping method, in 5 days, about $2,000 profit. This is really, guys, fantastic. Yeah? To find more, guys, you can go back to my video and you will find more. Back to my YouTube, you will see the video how to use Trendy Trader and so. The second product which will be included in this promo, because it will be a package, duo package promo, in which you can get this Trendy Trader, and the most popular now product is REACTOR SCALPER, and it is in a trade here. You see trailing stop has moved, so we cannot lose anymore. But I will show you something here. Again, guys, I was asked from one of my customers to test it from the beginning of March, 1st of March this year until today. So it is nearly 2 months. I tested, you will see, with only $100 start balance, 3% of risk, and spread I put free. I just want that robot to take only low spread trades, because in that way we can make much more money. If the spread is, let's say, 10, then we'll make almost zero or nothing of profit, because it is scalping, and we need every pip to make money, because we'll have many trades, but maybe we'll win 5 pips, 6 pips, 10 pips, and that's why I advise to use broker with low spread, not broker with 10 or 9. Use brokers with very, very low spread, about 2, 3, 5, maximum 5, 6. So this testing is already finished. Let's see what we got. Results. You can see here that we start with $100 and free micro lots, free 0.0 free. So it means 3% we used on 100. You see we lost first trade and it's 99.4. So we won 11, and as the trading is going on, you will see that lot size is now 0.09. As we have more money on our account, the lot size is compounding. I forgot to say at the beginning, REACTOR SCALPER is using my new system, MMC. It means Money Management Compound System. So if you not withdraw your earnings, your profit, Money Management Compounding System will automatically increase your lot size, and then after every trade will be with higher lot size. You see now we are already on 0.6. You see that profits are higher. Let's go to the beginning of, now the lot size is 0.82, so the winning trade is again much higher, 183. So don't withdraw your money. I have some customers asking me, which have bought this system, this robot, and they send me email, believe or not, after 2 hours, and said the robot is not making money. I said, after 2 hours you are sending me such an email. Please guys, watch my previous video about it, in which we have been testing it for 4 months. Now we are testing for 2 months. This is a system that you must keep as long as you can because of this compounding. Otherwise, in 1 week or few weeks you will not make almost, and yes, you will double your account maybe, but this is nothing. From $100 to $200 in, I don't know, 2 weeks, it's nothing. But if you leave it here, let's say, for almost 2 months, you will make from 100, you will make 3,373. Guys, what does it mean? It means that in 50 or 60 days, you increased your initial deposit, you will see, 32 times. 32 times. Not 2 times if you keep it week or 2. So guys, let this robot work. As longer you can keep it, it's better for you. And you see that maximal drawdown is only 6%. So we traded with start 100, now we have 3,200 in 2 months. Profit factor free and so on. So this robot, guys, and this robot, guys, I will even close this because it makes money, and we'll check if this is in the money. I think yes. Ah, it's small, but few minutes ago it made 25. Nevertheless, you can always get out if you have maybe $10–20 earlier. This is because you want more trades. As soon you close it, you will get new one. A new one here. I put scalping 5. I will put now number 5. And you see, we get a new trade because we had 4 here and number 5. Profit 80, pips 20. So let's talk about promo. So we have this product and we have this reactor scalper. Let's go to my web page. You will see that reactor scalper, the price, a regular price, 289, and number 1, FX Trendy trader, not indicator, is 389. So both of them, if you buy it at a regular price from my web here, both are together 678. So 678. And for this promo, I will give you it for a special price of 197 for both. Guys, both. Both Trendy Trader and the reactor scalper. So you will save, guys, almost 400 euros. And this promo is valid 3 days. Today, Friday, tomorrow, Saturday, and on Sunday. The only condition which I'm asking for you is that you are subscriber here of my webpage it is few seconds. Just leave your email here, it is free. Click, leave your email, click, and that's it. And of course you must be subscribed on my YouTube, on which you are now watching this video. So this weekend, two best expert advisors, Trendy Trader, which is regularly 389, and REACTOR Scalper. Altogether they are 679. You get both for 197. So 197 euro for both. Guys, see you next time. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.